So, Unreal Devs, quick heads up because the three premium asset of the week are free right now until November 4th, 9:59 a.m. ET. Now, let me break down not just what they are, but why they might matter for your project. Now, starting with, we have a construction prop developer is Brasileiros. If I'm not pronouncing it right, just correct me in the comment section. Now, the size of this asset pack is 2.6 GB, which is not allowed because you are getting so much more than out of it. Like, this is basically a ready to use prop library for modern architecture thing like scaffolding, wall, floor, construction material. It's not just filler assets. Like these save you weeks of gray boxing and dressing up urban environments. Now, if you are prototyping a shooter, a survival game, or anything set in modern city, this is just gold. The poly count is so clean, so you can use nanite or regular mesh without much hassle, which is a huge deal in current time because some people like nanite and some don't, and I will tell you why in just a sec. So think of it like a shortcut for world building that doesn't scream placeholder. So tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. So moving forward, we have the robot asset pack, as you can see on the screen, which is developed by SDK Warriors, and it's very basic. It's just a skeleton mesh of a robot with two gun static mesh, as you can see on the screen, and it is very basic. It does come with some animations which are not a lot. It's basically for, this is a clean humanoid robot character, good topology, rigged and ready to animate at under 300 megabytes. It's lightweight and easy to drop into prototypes. Perfect if you need an anime placeholder, and underline here which is placeholder because you can't use it directly into games. I mean, it does provide you a professional license, but just look at it. Do you think you are going to use it like that? No, of course not, because it's a sci-fi NPC or a cinematic actor. Since it's rigged and you can use it immediately, hook it in Unreal Engine, a control rig, or animate blueprints, whatever you like. The rating is suggested it polished, unlike a lot of free robots that end up stiff or broken. So I think it's all in all like just for a prototype thing, but it's free, so it doesn't matter. You can just add it to your list, and if sometime arrive, you can just add it in your gameplay and do a quick prototyping or just put in the image. You get the image, right? So moving forward, we have two-in-one nanite environment bundle. Now this is huge because this is developed by Dazzling Divine, and this is of 24.25 gigabyte, which is very heavy, but this is awesome. This pack gives you two full biolash fantasy style jungle, volcanic and wasteland. Now this is awesome, man. They are nanite ready, so you are dealing with movie level detail, as you can see on the screen. The downside is it's 24 gigabytes which is used, and this is like using nanites, which is off in it on, because if you have a PC which doesn't have 8 GB of VRAM, then it won't work properly. As you can see on the screen, even my PC is lagging a lot, and if you have something less than 8 gigabytes of VRAM, then it's 100% to lag. And whether you are using the this Tireless Fantasy style jungle or you are using the volcanic wastelands. In both cases, I don't think you will be able to run it if you don't have 8 gigabytes of VRAM. But this is so beautiful, as you can see on the screen, and you can switch it to non-nanite. It's nanite ready, but doesn't mean you have to only use in nanites, because nanites are problematic a bit. They are not ready to use in games as they promise. But yeah, if you're not using it as a nanite, or maybe you are just using it for movies, not just games, then it's just awesome. Because for games, if you're using it nanite, even if you package the game, it won't give you that much of performance. But it is beautiful. It is giving you so many assets, as you can see on the screen. I'm just showing you the overview of both scenes, the jungle and the wasteland, and they look awesome. And if you just turn it from nanite to a normal mesh and then add level of details, it might be useful. So tell me in the comment section if you like it or not. But I think you should just buy it for now, because whether you use it now or in the future, they will prove to be useful. Because I always buy everything which is free, because now or later it can be useful. So here's the play. Grab the construction prof if you need grounded realism. Grab the nanite bundle if you are testing cinematic environments, and grab the robot because, let's be real, you will always need a solid character mesh at some point. And all of these are completely free right now, but only until 4 November 9:59 a.m. ET. Don't overthink it, just claim them and stash them for later. Your future project will thank you. You don't need it now, but you don't know what future may hold. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.